It's not hard, I'll show you. Hey y'all, look at Mikey's bike. Does it have a name, Mike?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Incoming traffic.
Mikey's hauling that on another guy.
Come back by here so I can get a close up. That is crazy.
I've been working on it the other morning for a little while. When I first started welding on it. You're gonna take it around the block, probably.